table calculations and filtering. Table calculations can be used to filter your reports, and as we've discussed, a table calculation is computed and rendered after the entire table has rendered. This makes sense as we need to aggregate your values first, then we can perform the calculation on top of a table, and then we can apply the filter. So bear this in mind when you're filtering. Typically you have your extract data source filter or extract and data source filters first, then context, then you're building your view, so your dimension filters, then you're aggregating within those dimensions, so then your measure filters afterwards, and table calculation filters are applied last of all. One last key thing is typically when I create table calculation filters, I bring my table calculation into the view or into a tooltip so I can see what type of configuration it has. I can work on my configuration and make sure it's what I'm looking for. Then I'll drag that onto the filter and use the filter that way. It makes the process and life a lot easier. So bear this in mind, you can filter with table calculations and it's the last filter to be applied.